Welcome back to our teaching series based on John C. Maxwell's book, The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. I am Balan, Swaminathan, and I am delighted you have joined me on this journey of intentional growth. Whether you are a leader, a professional, a student, a business owner, or someone who simply wants to become a better version of yourself, this series is for you. In our previous episode, we looked at the law of the mirror, that before you can add value to yourself, you must first see value in yourself. Today, we are moving to law number 4, the law of reflection. The big idea is simple. Learning to pause allows growth to catch up with you. We live in a world that celebrates busyness. Everyone is rushing. Everyone is multitasking. Everyone is chasing the next goal. But very few people stop to ask, what am I learning from all of this? Growth doesn't happen simply because we have experiences. Growth happens when we learn from our experiences. That's why reflection is so important. Now let's look into some of the Maxwell's observations on how reflection can help us to grow. Number 1, the power of pausing. One of the greatest enemies of personal growth isn't failure, it is constant activity. Many people spend their entire lives moving from one task to another without taking time to think. Imagine driving hundreds of kilometers without ever checking your fuel gauge, your direction, or your map. Eventually, you will end up somewhere, but probably not where you intended. Life works the same way. If we never pause, we may become busy accomplishing things while missing the person God is shaping us to become. Jesus himself often withdrew to lonely places to pray and reflect. He showed us that stepping away is not a sign of weakness. It is a source of strength. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is stop for a while. Number 2. Reflection turns experience into insight. Here is an important truth. Everyone has experiences, but not everyone gains wisdom. Experience alone doesn't make us wiser. Reflection does. Two people can go through the exact same challenge. One repeats the same mistakes. The other learns valuable lessons and becomes stronger. What is the difference? Reflection. Reflection asks questions like, what worked? What didn't? What would I do differently? What is God teaching me? The more you reflect, the more insight you gain. And insight leads to better decisions. Number 3, everyone needs a time and a place to pause. Reflection doesn't happen accidentally. It must be intentional. If you don't schedule time to think, life will fill every available moment. Find a place where you can think clearly. Maybe it's early in the morning, maybe during a walk, maybe sitting with a notebook and a Bible. The location isn't what matters, consistency does. Great leaders don't only work hard, they think deeply. If you are serious about growth, schedule regular appointments with yourself. Protect those moments, because those quiet moments often produce your greatest breakthroughs. Number 4, pausing with intention expands and enriches thinking. There's a difference between doing nothing and intentionally reflecting. Reflection isn't empty time. It's thinking with purpose. When you intentionally reflect, you begin connecting experiences. You notice patterns. You identify strengths. You recognize weaknesses. You see opportunities you previously overlooked. Many of life's best decisions aren't made during busy moments. They are made during quiet moments. That's why reflection expands your thinking. It helps you see the bigger picture. Number 5, use your eyes during reflection. The letter I. John Maxwell encourages us to use our eyes whenever we reflect. Think about these words: investigation. What questions should I ask? Incubation. Have I allowed enough time to reflect? Illumination. What new truth have I discovered? illustration. How will I apply and share what I have learned? Reflection is valuable only when it leads to action. If nothing changes, reflection becomes merely remembering. Growth happens when reflection produces transformation. Number 6. Good questions are the heart of reflection. One of the most powerful ways to grow is to ask yourself better questions. Good questions lead to honest answers, and honest answers lead to lasting growth. John Maxwell provides 10 excellent reflection questions. Instead of rushing through them, I encourage you to spend time with each one. Ask yourself, what is my biggest asset? What is my biggest liability? What has been my highest high? What has been my lowest low? What emotion helps me become my best? What emotion holds me back? What is my best habit? What habit is hurting my growth? What gives me the greatest fulfillment? What do I treasure most in life? These questions aren't about finding perfect answers. They are about increasing self-awareness. And the better you know yourself, the better you will know where you need to grow. As we conclude today's lesson, the goal of personal growth isn't simply to become more successful. It is to become the person God created you to be. That journey requires more than activity. It requires reflection. So don't just keep moving. Pause, think, learn, adjust, grow. Remember this. Growth doesn't come merely from experience. It comes from reflecting on experience and applying what you have learned. Thank you for joining me today. I want to leave you with one question. When was the last time you intentionally paused to learn from your life instead of simply living through it? Take some time this week to reflect. Ask yourself honest questions and write down what God is telling you. If this teaching has encouraged you, I would love for you to subscribe, share it with someone who wants to grow. And join me next time as we continue exploring the 15 invaluable laws of growth. Until then, keep learning, keep reflecting, and keep growing.